If you're looking for a Bluetooth kit for your Jaguar XJR, this is the video for you. First, let me tell you some lesser known facts about the Jaguar's XJR sound system. The XJR was one of the first cars to offer a factory-installed Meridian sound system. The Meridian sound system in the XJR is a 14-speaker system with a 625 watts amplifier. The speakers in the XJRs are made of lightweight composite material that helps to improve the sound quality. The XJR sound system is tuned to be specific to acoustics of the car's interior. The Meridian system in the XJR is the same system that is used in some of the most luxurious cars in the world, such as Bentley Continental GT and the Aston Martin DB9. The XJR sound system has won numerous awards, including What's I-Fi Award for the best sound system in a luxury car. The XJR sound system is so good that it's been used in a number of movies and TV shows. This is the reason that you do not want to replace or upgrade your Meridian system. The easiest and the best way to do this is simply by adding a Bluetooth kit to your system to allow you to add streaming music to your original factory system.
Okay, here we are in a 2006 Jaguar S-Type R. I'm going to hook up the new device I just got to play the iPhone through the speakers. Plug in the bottom, and you can hear it picked up 87.9. I'm going to play. There you can hear the sound. I can really crank it up. And then if I want to take it off and go to another radio station, and you can hear the difference that's coming off a regular radio, and it's not as clear sound as here.
Never seeing no one
Pick another song. And I can tell all you Jag owners out there, for this setup with the fiber optic system, to buy the Jaguar OEM car kit, you can only buy that kit, will cost you around $700 to $800 plus installation. So this device truly does the job. I can play Pandora, everything. I've driven around town, no problems with any static whatsoever.
This is a video of the Gizmo Guy gadget installed in my 2005 Jaguar X-Type wagon. Plug the unit in now.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
As you see, there could not be anything easier to do. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
You can add Bluetooth by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. Gizmo Guy gadget will allow you to add number 1, streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, GPS navigation functionality, all from your smartphone through your older car factory radio without any type of modification. Okay, simply connect my device to your phone, to your car, and pair it with your phone, and you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. Get your Bluetooth kit for Jaguar from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you.